Hey everyone, welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the IVolatility API and our AI-powered backtesting tool, IVolaAI. We'll look at the API itself, the documentation, pull some live data, and then see how the VS Code, Workspace, and AI Assistant let you go from idea to full backtest without writing a single line of code yourself. Let's jump in. When you log in, this is what you see: the home dashboard with a left side menu. From here, you can get to three main things: the API documentation, the API and AI keys page, and your personal VS Code workspace. We'll go through each one. Let's start with the documentation. Click the link and you land on the full API reference. Up top, you've got the authentication flow, how to attach your key to requests. Below that, there are Python examples showing how to call the endpoints programmatically. And then there are the endpoints themselves. Each one has a description of what it returns, an example, request you can copy, the full list of query parameters, and a sample response so you know exactly what the data looks like before you write any code. Now let's go back and look at the keys page. Here you can see all your active API keys. You can create new ones or delete old ones. It's straightforward key management. For today, we'll just use one of the keys we already have. Below that, there's an AI keys section. Working with the AI backtesting tools requires a large language model, and our workspace comes pre-configured with Claude Code and Roo Code, both powered by an Anthropic API key. When you subscribe, you get up to $50 of AI credits included free of charge, so you can start running backtests right after registration, no extra setup needed. Once those credits are used up, you can either add your own Anthropic key or purchase more credits directly from this page. Here's the quickest way to see the API in action. I'll grab one of the example requests from the documentation. This one pulls real-time data for a specific options contract. I paste it into the browser, add my API key to the request, and hit enter. And there it is. The API returns the data right here in the browser. Contract details, pricing, Greeks, all of it. That's how the raw API works. You build a request, you get structured data back. Now, that's how things worked before. You'd read the docs, figure out which endpoints you need, write the code to pull the data, and build your backtest logic on top of it. It works, but it takes time and expertise. The good news is you don't have to do any of that manually anymore. This is where IVolaAI comes in, our AI assistant that lives inside the VS Code workspace. It knows the API, it knows the data, and it knows how to build production quality backtests. You just tell it what you want. IVolaAI sits on top of a production framework, almost 20,000 lines of tested Python, connected directly to IVolatility's market data. You describe what you want to test. It asks a handful of questions. Then it writes the entire notebook for you. To get started with backtesting, go to the VS Code workspace. It's ready to use and included in your subscription. From there, you have several options for interacting with the system. We've pre-installed Claude Code and Roo Code. You can click here to start a chat or run it in the terminal. Everything is set up and ready for backtesting. The conversation follows 5 steps. What's your entry signal? IV Z-score, IV percentile, earnings, something custom. What instrument? Straddle, single leg, stock. What do you want to optimize? What risk controls? Stop loss type, profit target, how aggressive. And finally, which symbols and what date range. Each step comes with clickable suggestions. You pick, you move on. The whole thing takes about 30 seconds. Let me show you a real example. I type, short straddle on Apple, sell 1 day before earnings, exit on the reaction day. Stop loss at 40%, 2020 to 2024. IVolaAI picks up the earnings signal, confirms the ATM straddle, sets up event-driven stop loss with 1-minute intraday checking, and locks in the date range. Then it generates the code. One file, all the hard stuff handled. Before market open versus after close timing. Holiday bridging. Real bid-ask pricing. Separate capital tracking per strategy. Things that would normally take you days. Hit run, and a few minutes later you have your equity curve, trades exported to CSV, and a full performance breakdown. One backtest tells you one story. Optimization tells you the whole picture. Switch to optimization mode, tell IVolaAI which parameters to sweep. Entry thresholds, look back windows, stop-loss levels, and it runs every combination. It always keeps a clean baseline with no stop-loss, so you have an honest benchmark to compare against. When it finishes, you get a decision report, which combo won for each strategy, how stop-loss affected returns, whether your signal holds up across different entry timing, and a portfolio-level recommendation, all generated automatically. This scales to multiple symbols too. IVolaAI loads data once per ticker, runs all combos, and aggregates the results across the whole universe. Best combo gets tagged, overall leader gets flagged. It handles advanced setups as well. IV percentile with multi-tenor sweeps, directional stock trades from IV signals, combined option plus stock strategies, even delta-hedged short puts with portfolio-level stop-loss. Your results don't just sit in CSV files. Open the dashboard and everything comes to life. The Summary tab gives you the headline numbers: return, Sharpe, drawdown, win rate. Risk Analysis shows deeper drawdown charts. The Trades tab has every trade in a sortable, filterable grid: entry, exit, strike, P, and L, Greeks. And Compare Charts lets you overlay two parameter combos to see exactly where one outperformed the other. The dashboard also works as a live market scanner. The Screeners tab shows over 80 columns of data: implied, vol at every tenor, historical vol, IV rank, IV percentile, term structure, skew, put-call ratios, fundamentals, across the full S&P 500, NASDAQ 100, and other stock groups. There are preset screeners built in. Want to find names where IV is elevated above historical vol? One click. Term structure, inverted? One click. You can also sort by any column, add custom filters, and the grid stays fast, thanks to server-side rendering. IV Lab goes a step further. Think of it as a screener wired directly into the Backtest engine. Pick your universe and parameters at the top. The grid ranks every symbol by IV percentile. Where does each stock's volatility sit relative to its own history? Click any symbol, and you get a detail panel with the full IV history: current percentile, days since the last spike, and the next earnings date. You can run a backtest right from this panel. One click, and it executes against that symbol using your current settings. Total return, Sharpe, trade count, equity curve, all in line. And there's Validate Today, your pre-trade sanity check. It runs the strategy against today's live data and tells you whether the signal is active right now: strong, marginal, or skip. Backed by the historical win rate from your own backtest, so you know the odds before you place the trade. One more thing: any number you see on the dashboard, in Screeners, IV Lab, or Backtest results, you can right-click it and get an instant explanation. AI Explain sends the metric, its value, and the context to an LLM and gets back a plain English answer grounded in the actual definition. No generic textbook responses. It knows the formula, the typical range, and what your specific number means. You can ask follow-ups right in the same popover. Should I sell premium here? Or how does this compare to last earnings? It's a full conversation, not just a tooltip, and it supports multiple languages. So that's the full picture. The IVolatility API gives you the data. IVolaAI builds the backtest. The dashboard lets you explore, scan, and validate, all in one place. Whether you want to pull raw data through the API or let the AI handle everything end-to-end, it's all here. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the workspace.